this level to a next level of this process is to demonstrate that they have at least 9,800 supporters distributed across the country at least from 98 districts. And there has to be a certificate that they must have obtained from the commission to that effect. They should also, the aspirant must also show proof that they have paid the non-refundable nomination fee of 20 million Uganda shillings, and that they have proof to that effect. The aspirant is from the Conservative Party. The aspirant, Joseph Mabilis, is from the Conservative Party. And for aspirants that are representing political parties, they use the symbols of their political parties. If they are independent candidates, not representing any political party, then before they leave here, they will be given a symbol selected from a list that the commission will provide. The aspirant will also, before they leave, indicate that they have appointed an official agent who becomes a liaison person between the commission and the aspirant who, in any correspondence going forward. So those are the critical elements that are verified by the commission on a nomination day or exercise like this one. For those who joined this place a bit late, where we are is at the Electoral Commission grounds, and this area is called Rubowa, Rweza, in Makindye Sabagabo. And this is going to be the home. It is the home already, really, because we are here. It is the home of the Electoral Commission. The headquarters of the Electoral Commission are going to be established here, and there will be the first permanent headquarters of the Commission that are owned by the Commission since the Electoral Commission was founded. So in many ways, really, you our guests who are here, are in a special place. You are the first. You are among the first to be on these grounds where this very important exercise is taking place. And you can put it in the diary. You can put it somewhere, and you'll be free to take selfies against the backdrops of a number of those voter education messages that speak to peace, for elections, to process of elections, the importance of democracy, to the critical importance of participation, to mutual respect during electoral processes, to the importance of the vote, during the break you are at liberty to take selfies of pictures that you can share with your friends on your various digital platforms. So the head of legal department at the Electoral Commission, who is leading the verification team here, Dr. Jennifer, is consulting. Okay. 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 We thank all the members of the press that are here, who are keeping the citizens of Uganda, first and foremost, well appraised of what is happening here, because us who are here are just a small representation of the citizens. So we are glad that you are keeping them informed.
Ladies and gentlemen, upon scrutiny of the aspirants' papers, we discovered there was an issue that did not come out clearly to conform to the law. So we've guided him to go back and sort out that issue. Once it is sorted, he's at liberty to come, and we shall afford him another opportunity to try and get nominated. We are doing this to ensure that every aspirant is afforded an opportunity as much as possible, even though there are issues in the papers, and even that's what even the law provides, that if there are issues in the papers that the aspirant can sort out, he ought to be given another opportunity. So aspirant Joseph Mabirizi will go back and try to sort out those matters. If he can do that before 4 p.m. today, we shall proceed to consider his nomination. If not, we still have tomorrow. So thank you very much.
Protocol, please lead the aspirant to the exit so that he exits properly.
Our distinguished guests, once again, we commend you for your turning up and your participation in these processes. Our next, we expected the aspirant will be at 3 p.m. today. Feel at home. This is our easy home. Enjoy the ambience of fresh air. There is a lunch, I think. Carol, is the lunch available for our guests? Yes, lunch is available for our guests. Please, you will not get this kind of ambience in the city center. It is only here at Lubowa. So feel at home. Thank you very much.
Protocol will guide the locations for lunch. Go and ask them. Please, protocol, you lead guests for lunch.
eno bwenumanga nywako kumiro time era nga nyozaako bwenva mutuyiro mu miro nga nywako quench my thirst. Yeah. Aquafina, we are good, good, good. Aquafina, hydration that is good, good, good. With essential one, them all like another bottle. Aquafina.